Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of Defense Technology News is US Navy to inactivate USS Boise after prolonged repair delays and shift resources to new submarine programs. The US Navy has announced the inactivation of the Los Angeles-class attack submarine USS Boise, SSN 764, following years of delays and rising overhaul costs. The decision comes after more than a decade of maintenance challenges that kept the vessel largely inactive. USS Boise, one of the younger submarines in its class, had been awaiting a scheduled overhaul since fiscal year 2016. During this period, the submarine spent extended time pierside and lost its dive certification in 2017. The vessel was moved multiple times between shipyards before repairs began. It was eventually assigned to HII Newport News Shipbuilding, where work was formally contracted in 2024. The Navy has invested approximately $1.6 billion in the submarine's repair efforts. Officials determined that continuing the overhaul would not be cost-effective compared with other priorities. ADM Darrell Cordell, Chief of Naval Operations, said the decision was necessary to support broader fleet goals. After a rigorous, data-driven analysis, we've made the tough but necessary decision to inactivate the USS Boise, he said. This strategic move allows us to reallocate America's highly skilled workforce to our highest priorities, delivering new Virginia and Columbia-class submarines and improving the readiness of the current fleet, Cordell added. He emphasized the need to focus on future capabilities. The Navy said funding and personnel assigned to Boise's overhaul will be redirected. These resources will support new submarine construction and maintenance programs across the fleet. Funds and personnel associated with the planned overhaul of USS Boise will be redirected to support other Navy priorities, including the timely delivery of America's submarine capability, the Navy said in a statement. The move aligns with broader efforts to improve readiness and fleet availability. USS Boise has become a prominent example of maintenance backlogs affecting the submarine force. Public shipyards have faced challenges related to workforce shortages and extended repair timelines. Analyses have shown that maintenance delays have reduced operational availability. Some submarines have missed deployments or returned to service later than scheduled due to extended overhauls. The Navy has increasingly turned to private shipyards to address these issues. Facilities operated by HII and General Dynamics Electric Boat have taken on both construction and maintenance work. However, private yard repairs have generally been more expensive. Industry analysts note differences in workforce specialization between repair and new construction activities. Brian Clark of the Hudson Institute commented on the broader implications. It's a sad statement on the Navy industrial base, he said. Clark supported the decision to redirect resources toward more viable platforms. It's the right call, he said, adding, the juice isn't worth the squeeze. The Navy said the inactivation reflects a shift in how resources are prioritized. Officials aim to ensure investments contribute directly to long-term readiness and fleet effectiveness. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @Electronics Technology 50.